Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native, and today we are going to learn about the React Native Vision Camera Snapshot. So how we are going to take a snapshot, so you can just go and take a snapshot over here, and you can see that the path of that one is consoling over here. So you can how you can take the snapshot, right? Or you can see that you can also make the use of the taking the picture click also. Okay, so how we are going to do that? So let's see. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the full-fledged code that we are going to show you, like how we are doing that one. Okay, so here we have the React use state, use effect and the use ref from the React. Then these are all the properties from the React Native that we are using for the designing purpose, and like the activity indicator, style sheet, all of this. Then we have a camera and the use camera devices from the React Native Vision Camera. Okay, then we have taking the states, camera permission and the snapshot. Okay, then we have a use effect for checking the cam request permissions are coming up or not. Okay, then we have a handler take a snapshot, so you can check the quality also, and here we are just setting up and console the snapshot. So here we will get the path of that one where the snapshot is there, and you according to it you can also move it from with the help of the rn fetch block to your folder or something, right? So the next one we have, this is done. Then we have a render part for taking the screenshot. So here we have the take a snapshot button, and here we have a camera. Okay, and here we have the again the photo part. Okay, then this is the image part that we are showing in the snapshot, and if it is not authorized to, so that it will return null, else we are rendering the screenshot. So this is the last one where we have the UI, and this is the text basically, and here we have a render content where we have all the render taking this snapshot is there. Okay, so all this way you can take a snapshot or take a picture, take a photo with the help of the React Native Vision Camera. And for the Android manifest.xml you need to add the permissions so that it will work. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.